Are you picking out some videos? What if we just pick one video? Yeah? Oh, that is Abby. Yes, it is. It's Abby Cadabby.
Cookie.
And Cookie Monster, yep. So which one are you going to choose?
Barney.
Barney, yes, it is Barney. So which video are you going to choose?
Barney.
Do you want Barney video instead of Elmo? Which one do you want to get? Huh? Big Birds? Which one of these do you want? Do you want the Elmo one? Right here? This one? We already have Elmo, this one. And then this one's Big Bird. Do you want to get this one?
Yes.
That one? That's a Big Bird. Bob the Builder. It is a hard decision. Oh, we're just gonna get that one too? Okay. Alright, so we're only gonna pick one, Tatum. Can you pick one? You wanna go Big Bird? Okay. You can put Bob the Builder back.